Welcome back, you gorgeous weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome. If you're new, I'm Marlakrishelp. I'm glad you're here. So Modelones, who is super kindly sponsoring today's video, sent over a bunch of new products for me to play with. Now, this is going to be my first raw, real attempt at this. I have never played with products like this before. These are solid builder gels. And what can you do with them, may you ask? Might you ask? You can create your own custom charms, 3D charms that you can add to your nails. I've never done anything like this before, but we're going to give it a shot together and see how it goes. These are the charms they sent over to me. I'm going to introduce you to all the different colors. Some of them are glitters and they are absolutely beautiful. Wait till you see these. So I decided to keep it simple. I'm going to play with this beautiful pink solid gel stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit out. I'm using an orange wood stick just to scoop it out a little bit. I'm going to start putting it into the star mold. Now, once I get it kind of in there and this stuff is super duper sticky, I'm going to take a gel brush, dampen with a little bit of swipe solution. You can use alcohol, whatever you have on hand, whatever you would use for gel normally, slip solution or whatever. And I'm going to start pressing that down into the mold, get it all nice and filled in. Don't worry too much about cleaning up the excess. We're going to take care of most of that later on after we cure it. Just get it in the mold, get it as nice and flat as possible, and then you're going to want to cure this for a full minute. Now, I know it's super tempting to want to pick this stuff up with your fingers and play around with it, roll it around, mold it into shapes and whatever with your hands. I'm going to highly suggest you not do that. Touching any type of uncured gel product can lead to contact dermatitis and/or gel allergies. So you always want to exercise caution when playing around with any of these gel products. So once I had that cured for a full minute, now I can pop this out of the mold and it's a star. Yes, there are little hangy bits and I can touch it now because it's fully cured gel. I'm going to make sure I take off any of that tacky residue that's on it with some alcohol, swipe solution, whatever you have on hand. Once it is completely cleaned off, it is safe to handle. So then I'm going to take some cuticle nippers and I'm just going to start trimming up those edges, get rid of any little hangy bits, and then we can figure out how we want to apply this to a nail. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to keep this really simple, but you can use these on top of anything. You can use it on top of acrylic, polygel, dip powder, gel polish, builder gel. The options are endless. You can put these things over your natural nail if you wanted to. I'm going to use some gel polish. This color is from Modelones. I'm going to do 2 full coats of this gel color, curing for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to put on a no-wipe gel top coat. That's optional. If you'd rather put your charm on before you do top coat, you totally can. I'm going to leave my star matte though. I'm not going to top coat it. So I'm going to top coat my nail first before I put on the charm. So now that I have the top coat completely cured, we can apply the charm. You can use anything you want to do this. You can use glue, you can use gel base coat, builder gel. Since I have the clear solid gel, I figured I would just use that. I'm going to grab a little dollop of this with my orange wood stick and place it right on the nail where I want to place the charm. Once I have it on there, I'm going to pick up the charm. I'm going to use some tweezers to do that just so I don't touch any of that uncured gel. I'm going to press it down on there. Once you get it positioned exactly where you want it, cure it for a full minute. So that's completely cured and it is solid. This thing is not going anywhere. This stuff was seriously so much fun to play with. If you guys want to get creative, I highly suggest picking them up. I hope you guys have a day that's as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.